Right now they went ahead and they're starting the trench from the house, and they're going to trench through the yard out to the alley. What we have here is the conduit that's going to actually be placed from the house out to the handhole, and that's what the fiber will be pulled into from the alley to the house. As you can see, we're making a very small trench. It's only like 4 inches wide. We're trying to minimize the impact on everybody's yards that we go into, and we use a smaller piece of equipment. And then if it's a very difficult location, we even have a small directional bore machine that we can use that, like if you have a very nice manicured yard, they can actually drill underneath all that without any impact to that yard.